reggae, song about classic. Reggae music with deep philosophy, deep inspiration, deep motivation, deep lyrics and lots of patois slangs.
reggae song about vintage reggae playlist. With deep philosophy, with inspiration. Deep old school reggae song about vintage reggae playlist. With deep philosophy, with inspiration. Deep old chillin' what from me the new school elder. Go you can soon learn. We ain't top teach that true. We want the ant in a sign, in a style, a style ending. So you run people give up in ceremony. Deep old school reggae song about vintage reggae playlist. With deep philosophy, deep inspiration. Deep old school reggae song about vintage reggae playlist. With deep philosophy, deep inspiration. God on mic in a red, this life is not free. We never understand what the things see on people. When you're the road with your brain, now we'll ever be free. And it's not till it get there, it moves to real. Deep old school reggae song about vintage reggae belly. With deep philosophy, deep inspiration.
salvation. Holy fire. No type distance and you shine holy fire. Burning free salvation. Holy fire. No time distance and you shine holy fire.
Esa mamata mambo. Deep old school reggae song about old school reggae with deep philosophy, deep inspiration, motivation, deep lyrics and lots of patois slangs. Oh, it's in a word and a way. Old school reggae song, my old school reggae. A deep old school reggae song, my old school reggae. Deep inspiration, deep motivation, deep lyrics and lots of patois slangs. This ain't no way, gone away. Papa, oh oh oh, Wakamada tipa pama tipa na man oh oh, Datina tipa pama oh oh oh, Wakamada tipa pama tipa na man oh oh, Datina tipa pama oh oh oh, Wakamada tipa pama tipa na man oh oh, Datina tipa pama oh oh oh, Wakamada tipa pama tipa na man oh oh. Listen my way down and way. Reggae song about old school reggae with deep philosophy, deep inspiration, deep motivation, deep lyrics and lots of patois slangs. Deep motivation, deep motivation, and lots of patois slangs. Yeah. Deep motivation, deep motivation, and lots of patois slangs. Be deep old school, be deep old school, deep old school reggae with deep philosophy, deep inspiration, deep motivation, deep lyrics, and lots of patois slangs. Deep motivation, deep motivation, and lots of patois slangs. Yeah. Deep motivation, deep motivation, and lots of patois slangs.
just a morning sun. Say we just a future. Say we just a marine. Say we just that new shine. Say we just a foreign. Say we just that future. Say we just a mind. Say we just that new shine. Deep motivation. Deep motivation. And lots of patia fast lines. Deep motivation. Deep motivation. And lots of patia fast lines. Oh yeah. A deep old school reggae song about classic reggae music with deep philosophy, deep inspiration, deep motivation, deep lyrics and lots of patois slangs.
Reggae music with deep philosophy, deep inspiration, deep motivation, deep lyrics and lots of patois slangs. Oh, 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 oh,
salvation. All the fire. No time be songs and you will shine by your fire. While if it's salvation. All the fire. No time be songs and you will shine by your fire. A deep old school reggae song about vintage reggae playlist with deep philosophy, deep inspiration, deep motivation, deep lyrics and lots of patois slangs, lots of patois slangs. Military salvation.
Esa mamá tamambo. Deep old school reggae song about old school reggae with deep philosophy, deep inspiration, motivation, deep lyrics and lots of patois slangs. Oh, it's in a word and a way. School reggae song about old school reggae. A deep old school reggae song about old school reggae. Deep inspiration, deep motivation, deep lyrics and lots of patois slangs. Let's send away, gone away.
Tipa pama, oh oh oh. Wakamada tipa pama, tipa na man, oh oh. Datina tipa pama, oh oh oh. Wakamada tipa pama, tipa na man, oh oh. Datina tipa pama, oh oh oh. Wakamada tipa pama, tipa na man, oh oh. Datina tipa pama, oh oh oh. Wakamada tipa pama, tipa na man, oh oh. Listen my way, gonna way.
philosophy, deep inspiration, deep motivation, deep lyrics, and lots of patois slangs. Deep motivation, deep motivation, and lots of patois slangs. Yeah. Deep motivation, deep motivation, and lots of patois slangs. Be deep old school, be deep old school, deep old school reggae, with deep philosophy, deep inspiration, deep motivation, deep lyrics, and lots of patois slangs. Deep motivation, deep motivation, and lots of patois slangs. Yeah. Deep motivation, deep motivation, and lots of patois slangs. I say we just a Maureen Sons, say we just a future, say we just a Marin.